Power BI is a powerful tool. You can use it to make visuals. These visuals help you understand data. For example, you can make charts and graphs. This guide will teach you how to use Power BI. You will learn the basics. This will help you make your first report. Power BI is very useful. It helps you make sense of data. You can use it to track progress. You can also use it to find insights. Many people use Power BI. This includes businesses and organizations. Power BI is free to use. You can download it online. Once you download it, you can install it. Then you are ready to start. First, open Power BI Desktop. You will see a blank canvas. This is where you create your report. To start, you need data. We will use an Excel file. Click Get Data. Choose Excel, then find your file. Select it and click Open. You will see a preview of your data. Choose the data you want. Click Load. Now your data is in Power BI. You will see it in the Fields pane. This pane lists all your data. You will use this data to make visuals. Let's make a bar chart. Bar charts show comparisons. In the Fields pane, click on a column. This is your data. Then, click on another column. Power BI will create a visual. It might be a bar chart. If not, you can change it. Go to the Visualizations pane. Here you can choose different types of visuals. Now let's make a pie chart. Pie charts show parts of a whole. Choose Pie Chart from the Visualizations pane. Then, select your data from the Fields pane. Your pie chart will appear. Slicers make your report interactive. They let you filter data. To add a slicer, go to the Visualizations pane, choose Slicer. Then, select the data you want to filter by. Your slicer will appear. You can click on the slicer. This will filter your other visuals. Try it out. See how the data changes. Section 5. Customizing your visuals. You can customize your visuals. This makes them look better. Click on a visual to select it, then go to the Format pane. Here you can change many things. You can change the colors. You can change the font. You can also add titles and labels. Experiment with the options. Make your visuals look great. Customizing helps tell a story. You can highlight important data. This makes your report more effective. Section 6. Introduction to DAX calculations. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It is a powerful language. You can use DAX to create calculations. These calculations can be simple or complex. For example, you can use DAX to calculate totals. You can also use it to calculate averages. DAX is very useful for data analysis. To use DAX, go to the Modeling tab. Click New Measure. Then write your DAX formula. Power BI will create a new measure. You can use this measure in your visuals. Section 7. Designing your dashboard layout. Your dashboard is the final product. It is what people will see. It should be clear and easy to understand. Arrange your visuals on the canvas. Make sure they are easy to read. You can add text boxes. You can also add images. This will make your dashboard more engaging. Think about your audience. What do they need to know? Design your dashboard to be informative. It should also be visually appealing. A good dashboard tells a story. It helps people understand the data. Section 8. Publishing and exporting your report. You have created your report. Now you can share it with others. You can publish it to the Power BI service. This lets people access it online. To publish, click Publish. Choose a location to save your report. Then, click Publish. You can also export your report. You can export it to PDF or PowerPoint. Congratulations. You have created your first Power BI report. Now, you can start exploring data on your own. Use Power BI to gain insights and make better decisions.